Diwali in 2018 was more festive than ever before for Housing.com and for all of you. Housing.com's Home Utsav 2018, one of India's most awaited online property exhibitions, was a huge success. Developers and brokers across the country participated in the event, which registered the interest of lakhs of home buyers. With the festive season being the highest transaction period in real estate, encouraged by the positive buying sentiment this year, we have prepared ourselves to help you reach and surpass your milestones in a bigger, better and bolder way. So this Diwali, gear up for mega celebrations with Housing.com's Mega Home Utsav 2019, where for the first time in history, Housing.com will be giving away prizes worth over 1 crore to lucky home buyers. A month-long property extravaganza from 25th September till 31st October 2019 presents a golden opportunity to showcase your projects to lakhs of interested home buyers in India and abroad. Here are some mega reasons why you should be a part of this event. More than 1.6 crore home seekers will see your project on our website, including 12 lakhs plus of NRIs. Exciting prizes worth over 1 crore will be given only post bookings to ensure high intent buyers. Great multimedia marketing campaign will reach out to more than 3 crore audience. Advantage of reaching out to 14 lakhs plus followers on our social media. With increased sales during the festive season, positive sentiments in the market and a larger-than-life offering from Housing.com, you are poised for great sales and greater success. So, join us and be a part of Housing.com's Mega Home Utsav 2019.